Hello, today in this video we will learn how to print a hello world using jQuery. This is a HTML structure. Now write div open and close, write id equal to double colon output. After div write jQuery skip tag open and close, dollar document dot ready function dollar open has copy the div id output and paste here dot text open and close, write hello world and semicolon in the semicolon and save, and write style for pin the hello world in the middle of the web page. Style equal to text align center, semicolon, save, go to web page and reload the page. Hello world. This way you can print a hello world using jQuery. Thank you.